And our top story of the day, over 1 lakh children in Kashmir are appearing for their board exams beginning today. Despite schools being shut for almost 4 months, extremist elements razing over 30 schools to the ground, Kashmiri children showed their resolve to pursue education. The government deployed heavy security to ensure that these exams are conducted smoothly.
हर एक स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयर है, हर एक स्टूडेंट को चाहिए कि वो इसी 50% में दे, क्योंकि फिर उनको बाद में टाइम भी मिलेगा प्रिपरेशन के लिए, एंट्रेंस के लिए। तो मुझे लगता है बहुत ठीक क्या एक हिसाब से तैयार है, क्योंकि 50% सिलेबस हुआ है। अगर हम बाद में देते हैं तो फिर पूरा सिलेबस कवर करना होगा। इसलिए मुझे लगता है ये ठीक है कि 50% सिलेबस है तो हम दे सकते हैं एग्जाम।
सर बहुत इजी पेपर था, हम बहुत खुश हुए कि हमारा एक पेपर आज हो गया कंप्लीट। बहुत इजी पेपर आया था।
These are children who have defied all odds. 4 months of bunds, shutdown calls, turmoil in the valley. After all, these children have shown what they really care for: their education, their future.
1,000 centers have been set up by the government all across the valley, which have been categorized into a normal, sensitive and hypersensitive zones, and accordingly security has been provided. This is a major test for the government to ensure that these examinations are carried out in the most peaceful manner given the situation in the valley. Now the government has given options to the students. Those who want to appear in this session will only be appearing for 50% of the syllabus, while as those who want to appear in the March session will have to be questioned for the entire syllabus.
The protests that started after the encounter of terrorist Burhan Wani have taken their worst toll on the valley's children. From being deprived of their schooling, to being pushed into stone pelting, to having their very schools attacked and burnt. The children of Kashmir saw their futures being pushed into darkness. Today, they answered in the only way they could, through the power of their pen.
इंशा मेरा नाम है। पेपर बहुत इजी था, इसमें बहुत चॉइसेस भी थी। अगर कोई दे पाता एग्जाम, जो चाहता है जो मार्च में एग्जाम दे, अगर वो आज ही दे दे तो बेहतर होता। बहुत चॉइस और पेपर बहुत ज्यादा इजी था।
बच्चा नहीं था अभी तक, क्या काम करेगा वो? 4 महीना होगा घर में बच्चे को बैठे। हाँ, अटेंड किया हमने।
आगे क्या पता क्या होगा क्या जी। हाँ बोला था, अच्छा किया। अभी हमने पूछा कुछ स्टूडेंट्स, बढ़िया किया बोला।
Now the onus is on the state government to ensure that no one is allowed to play with the valley's children's future and that they stay where they belong, in the classrooms.
ये जो बच्चे हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनकी जगह ऐसे ही फुटक्राफ्ट में है, IITs में है, डेंटल कॉलेजेस में है, सड़कों पे नहीं है।
With Ashraf Wani and Shujaul Haq in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.